Breakfast today is some eggs and Mickey waffle. Don't know what that is.
What?
Fruit. Everybody else got some omelets, grits. Happy summer.
Happy summer.
Summer corn.
Yep, that's me. And we're here on our ship. We're here on our statement. Ready to get some things, Cassie, you gotta get.
Do 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 do.
And at last I see the light.
We just got a letter. We just got a letter. I wonder who it's from. Is the bill?
It's hella your charges. It's hella your charges.
They're getting a nice shower right now.
Y'all are gonna love it. They're gonna live. Like, stay on the ship. Right? Like, at this point, turn around.
Yeah, why get off now?
I'll fuck my family off.
She has her flip-flop in front of her face, like that's gonna do anything.
Oh. That pirate boat.
Lonely, I'm Mr. Lonely. Ooh, I felt that. Camera, I'm so sorry. Feels like we're getting like missed.
I saw how, babe, you're like, we have prime.
You look like a mummy right now.
You better watch out.
Ooh, he's about to go off.
What would you do if you saw someone
Just walk right
I would
off.
tell you to get on that phone and call security and be like, someone just went in the water.
Oh my god, it looks like it's just a sheet now.
So. Oh my god.
Holy
Look
shit.
at that boat. If it wasn't tethered, it'd tip.
What are we witnessing right now?
She's just walking like she don't care. She's like,
I know.
I'm done.
She's like, I'm already soaked. I don't even care anymore.
You imagine you have like all your like souvenirs and stuff though, right?
I just can't get over those people still left. I can't even see the city anymore.
I know it got thicker. She's all, my fucking family left, so I don't really care.
She's like, bitch, all I wanted was a fake Louis Vuitton bag.
So loud, Jack.
She don't hear me, the rain's too loud.
It's not. You know it's raining, however, when your shirt turns see-through.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. It is Monday, July 22nd. I vlogged about 2% of the day today because a lot of the places I go today, I cannot bring a camera in, or I don't want to bring a camera in, because why am I going to bring a camera into a sauna or a spa or a pool? So pretty much today all we've done is we've gone to the pool, we've gone to,
how's this?
that's cute, very cute. We've gone,
on your room.
yes, we've gone to the spa and fell asleep on the lounge chairs in the spa, the heated lounge chairs, which I'll at some point show you. We had lunch at Cabanas. They had nachos today, which was very good. And then we got some ice cream, and we were going to walk the top deck to look at the top deck because we haven't walked that before, but it started to thunder, lightning, and storm. So now we're going to, hopefully, it looks sunny outside now, so we're going to go back outside, maybe get a drink, and just sit out since it's not raining anymore. But I'll try and video more, so this is a little bit more interesting. Bye!
out the human dudes in the human tank. Hello, human dudes.
He's over there, he's over there, he's over there.
Totally gotta try that one again, dudes. Thanks, Crush. I said, hello, human dudes. Yeah, they live. Check it out. In my fishing family, we're totally cruising the big old blue. And we saw you dudes totally doing the same. So if you totally want to hang together, say chaw.
Chaw.
Awesome! And they said chaw! Come on down, dudes! Intros! This is my little dude squirt. Hey, haters! Everyone say, hey,
Stop.
Mr. Ray!
It's night
DT is awesome.
3.
Human dudes, if you're like, too,
We're at Animators Palette and we're listening to Crush. Right? Chaw, man. He's over there.
Catch the nerve, but I'll totally be back to get to know you dudes. Hey, Jellyman, Little Blue! How about those games?
Games? Games? Hey, Moonfish, come on, play a guessing game with us.
Okay, everybody, let's
Are you excited? What did you order today?
Michael K's is backed up with pasta.
I love games.
Bacon soup and beef
Michael K, if you see this, that's pretty cool. We're your biggest fans. We're your biggest fans. Subscribe. Even
You don't hit that like button in 5 seconds, you will have bad luck for the rest of your life.
We're gonna have to watch that.
Her presentation. You called it the presentation. This is so good. What do you think of the black truffle? Michael K. Good choice, Michael. You must love it a lot because you can just sit on her face. Oh, it went away. We had all down her face.
Alright, you can do let's set the bell. 1, 2, 3, surf's up, dudes! All the time. And whenever anyone says awesome,
Whenever anyone says awesome,
I will shout, dude!
dude! Oh, I burped.
Awesome! Awesome! You dudes have been totally awesome! Yo, catch you later, human police! I've done it 150 times myself. Birthdays!
Your birthday's in November.
Alright, come on.
I can still celebrate.
Turn a birthday song. Hey, Moonfish, can you help me out? Okay, you dudes know the tune. The only word you need to know is dude.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Grandma.
Everybody! Alright, come on, birthday dudes. Come on, dudes.
Go, Grandma, keep going.
Right, keep it going, dudes. Alright, so before we can search for EAC,
Sammy, can you do it?
first,
No, it's not.
which is righteous. That's right, when I say righteous, throw your right foot up and shout, righteous! 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 Roll it up.
Everybody look around. Can you see where the wave papers are? They're reluctantly waving, but they're up there, okay? Hand your paper to a paper you do not know. It must go to another table. It must go to another team, another family, another group, another family. Another team, another universe, American hand paper. Anybody else you do not know, hand your paper to them, you take theirs. If they trade it out, trade again. If they trade it, they can trade again. Hand paper. Anybody else with the answer sheet. As long as you're not in the recognize. Anybody else with the answer sheet, you take theirs.